Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just listed this 2020 306 Grady-White Canyon. The boat's in great shape. It's been dry stored since new, windlass with foot controls forward. Fish boxes are storage here. Hard top. The boat is coastal fog color, which is a light gray. Really nice helm seats. Upgraded stereo system with a sub, twin Garmin's, Ritchie compass, Yamaha engine gauge system, outriggers, really nice. The boat's in great shape. Large fish box in the back, flip out seat, a live well and a freshwater sink. Step for when you're coming on from the port side. Battery switches are located here in the floor, easy to get to. You're not having to go down in any kind of hole or anything to turn your battery switches on. Cutting board, shore power, twin 300 Yamahas, 267 hours. The outriggers have never even been configured. Spreader lights in the fore and the aft of the hardtop. Fresh and raw water washdowns. Head compartment's really nice. Flip down shower seat over the head. And a nice sink in there. So give us a call. Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah, 2020 306 Canyon. Thank you very much. 912-525-0961.